Hi, this is Cynthia Petian. I'm an AWS Mining Business Partner and Affiliate, and the purpose of this video is to show you how you can get registered with AWS Mining. So first we'll go over an investor registration, and then I'll show you guys as affiliates how you can get registered and signed up and purchase your plans. Now the first thing that you're going to need when you sign up is you're going to need a sponsor link. All right. And if you do not have a sponsor link, you can visit our Facebook page. Okay, this is our Facebook page here. Go to Files, and under Files, there'll be a document here showing you different sponsors that you can register under. It'll be organized by territory. So depending on where you live, you may want to choose a sponsor that's closest to you so that they can help support you. All right, so once you have a sponsor link, and a sponsor link is going to look something like this. It's going to be awsmining.com / and then the person's sponsor ID. That'll take you here to this page. Now, as an investor, you can purchase any one of these packages. Over here, you can change the language to English, Spanish, or Portuguese, and the whole page should translate for you at that point. Our packages are sold in increments of $200. Each $200 purchases 1 terahash. 1 terahash is the equivalent of 0.01 Bitcoin per month, so 1% of a Bitcoin. And each one of these packages has a 17% monthly return, okay? So each one of these packages is designed for you to recoup your entire value, whatever you purchase the package at, within 5 to 6 months, and double that value within 10 to 12 months. All right, so if you purchase a $200 package, it will net you in about 6 months the $200, and then $400 in the course of a year. Now you can also customize these packages. Okay, they're sold in 2, 6, 1,000, and 2,000 by default, but you can slide this clicker here and buy as much or as little as you want, still in $200 increments. All right, so let's say we were to pick the $200 contract. It's going to take you to this screen. Again, change your language, and it should show that you have a sponsor. All right, and it should default to your sponsor's name. Now, again, if you do not have a sponsor, rather than click no, I would visit the Facebook page and try to locate a sponsor of your choosing. Otherwise, AWS is going to randomly assign you based on your location to a sponsor that's closest. So first thing you're going to want to do is pick a username. Okay, this is the name that's going to be ID'd in the system, and it's also going to be the username that you're going to give others when they're registering under you, for example, if they're going to use your sponsor link. You're going to want to include an email, all right, and a password. Enter your country. You'll see we have a lot of countries listed. If you do not find your country, it's okay. Just pick the one that's closest to you. And if you could send me a message on Facebook, again, Cynthia Petian, you can message me on our AWS Bitcoin Miners Facebook page and just let me know that your country needs to be added, and we'll take care of that. All right. So this should now bring you to the next page, showing you that you have successfully registered and your email needs to be validated. So you're going to click on this button here that says that you're not a robot. And then a token is going to be emailed to you. The token can take a few minutes sometimes to come through. If you don't see it within a few minutes, check your spam or your junk mail folders, but it usually comes, relatively quickly. All right, see, there we go already. All right, so token number here, and that number is going to be different for everybody. Go back to your AWS mining page. You're going to enter your token number there and hit OK. So it's going to say that you have successfully registered. The next step is going to be to enter your name and your gender. That should be your full legal name. And hit enter, and it's going to say that your data has been uploaded successfully, and you're going to hit OK. So this will bring you here to your back office. All right, you have immediate access to it. Now the next step is going to be either for investors who just want a mining package, and we'll also show you how you can sign up for the affiliate program at the same time. So if you come here and it says start mining today. You're going to want to click here to learn more. And here it's going to allow you to purchase your package. Okay, and again, you can slide the clicker, pick any amount that you want, hit purchase, and Bitcoin method is going to be your select payment method. So very important, you need to have Bitcoins in order to pay for your registration and your mining plan. If you do not have a Bitcoin wallet, you can set one up at mycoindeal.com. You can also set one up at Zappo. There are several different ones that you can use. AWS exclusively works with mycoindeal.com. So you can set up a wallet there, and that's what's used to transfer funds in and out of the mining platform. From there, you can transfer it to a wallet of your choice if you want to, but we're going to be adding some very nice features to my coin deal that's going to allow you to be able to buy and trade Bitcoins, as well as some other currencies, transfer directly to your bank, do wire transfers and stuff like that. But for now, you're gonna need to have Bitcoins in order to make this purchase. So you can click OK. It's asking you, do you want to purchase 1 terahash, which is the $200 plan that we picked. We're going to click on that, and it's going to say successfully contracted, and then you hit OK. It's going to automatically take you here to this order. All right, so it's going to show you an order ID number. The status is pending, $200, Bitcoin. Now, in order to pay for this order, if you have credits in your back office, let's say you've already been mining or you've already been networking and you have a balance in your back office, it's always going to give you the option of either paying with Bitcoins or paying with your existing balance. For now, this is a brand new account. There is no existing balance, so we're going to hit pay with Bitcoin. That is going to bring up this QR code. Most people don't realize this, but if you just scroll down, it shows you the address and the amount that you need to send. Okay, so you would copy this address, go to your Bitcoin wallet and paste it in there. And same for the amount. We've already indicated the amount that you would need to pay. That may vary slightly because, again, it's based on the Bitcoin and the Bitcoin value. All right. And you would click on that and it would bring you to your wallet. You paste them in there. Once that is done, it's going to, and you'll notice that these time out. Okay, so once you do that, it will validate your purchase. If you ever get timed out like that and you need to get back in, all you need to do is come up to this little bar over here next to your name and your avatar, click on Office. Actually, I'm sorry. You have to click on Profile, and it'll bring you back to this page, and you can just click on your orders and your order will be right here. Okay, and you can just hit on details and it'll show it to you here. Now, this works very much the same for the affiliate program. So you're going to see a message here that says refer friends and increase your profits with the affiliate program. Click here to learn more. You're going to click there. It automatically brings you right here to purchase. You can click on that. It's going to ask you, is this your sponsor? You're going to hit yes, assuming it's the correct sponsor. Pay with Bitcoin, okay. Do you want to confirm this purchase? Yes, done. Same thing, it's going to bring you back to your order page where you can pay with Bitcoins, and you'll notice that there's an expiration date. So that's why I say you need to have Bitcoins ready in order to pay this. You're going to click this address, and each address is specific to your account. All right, so there's no need to have to send receipts and do all this other stuff and tell people, hey, this is my purchase and this is what it belongs to. The system's going to know automatically that this is your purchase because it's going to link to this address, which is specific to your order. All right, and then once you do that, it will go ahead and complete itself. Once it completes itself, you are going to then have access, to your back office and show your mining. So let me just show you what that looks like real quick. I'm going to log in into an account that already has mining attached to it along with an affiliate program. So this is my back office. I purchased 10 terahash. Since then, it's increased to 10.3 because of referrals that I've added on. It shows you here what my mining bonus is up to. It shows you the percentage that I've earned. So once this reaches 200%, I'll have the option of renewing my contract or upgrading it. And at any time, if I want to upgrade this contract, I can. Right now, I have a contract that's going to end at $4,000 because I invested $2,000. If I wanted to put another $1,000 in to make it a $3,000 investment, that's going to extend my contract now to $6,000. Okay, so there's no expiration date on any of the contracts. The date of expiration is only determined by your mining profits. All right, so if you continue to reinvest, those mining profits will continue to grow as well until you reach 200% return on your investment. So hopefully that explains that a little bit. You know, once you have this, and if you add the affiliate program, there'll be other features that get opened up for you, including your office and your network and stuff like that. So for now, that's pretty much how you get registered. If you have any questions, just hop on our AWS Bitcoin mining page. We also have a WhatsApp chat on there. You'll see it pinned to the top of the page with a link. If you click on that link, you'll automatically be added to our WhatsApp chat. And everybody in there is just super friendly, helping to answer any questions. So don't be shy. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can join us there. All right, talk to you soon.